I'm walking back to the house. It's currently raining. Yay, might cool down a little bit. Listening to Sherlock Holmes, which is pretty cool. He's always good. That's my 5 hat. Just gonna chill out tonight, and because I don't know why, but today my headache is pounding. The looks you get from people for vlogging in the street. Not seeing Damien tonight. Hopefully going to Hereford this weekend, which would be cool. Be the first time we've been over to see Matt and Rachel and Tyler for about 3 or 4 months, because we haven't had a chance to go over. I've just been busy with work and stuff, so it'd be nice to go and see them. And I looked into prices. I may be joining the gym again, which would be cool. I get a discount for gym because of my work, so hopefully back to the gym, get these arms pumped up again. Yeah, be cool. Yeah, get my fitness back up and running. It's been a while since I've done fitness stuff, so be good. Let's see how this goes. It's actually raining. Woohoo! Na 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 na. It's raining, Tracy. Get it! Get that toy! You can't decide which ball you are, can you? My dogs are weird. I'm actually happy that it's raining, so hopefully might cool down a bit, mightn't it, Jess? Might not be so bloody hot.